Unveiling Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra series. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is confirmed to be released on the 11th of March, 2026. It has 200 megapixel back camera and 12 megapixel front camera. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with 4.74 gigahertz, which makes games run smoother and faster. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra still maintained the same battery capacity, which is 5,000 milliampere hours, and the same frame, which is titanium frame. If you enjoyed watching the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra series trailer, like this video, drop your comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about latest phones from different brands. Thank you for watching.